Meet the MacBook Air 13-inch 2025. Thinner, lighter, reimagined. A redesigned unibody with a tapered edge and refined machining. A refined keyboard and an expanded Force Touch trackpad for more precise control. The 13-inch Liquid Retina display delivers vivid color with slimmer bezels. More connectivity with two Thunderbolt 4 ports and a 1080p FaceTime HD camera. All of this in a featherlight frame starting at just over a kilogram. Up to 22 hours of battery life for all-day creativity and productivity. Powered by next-generation Apple Silicon for faster CPU and GPU performance. Smooth multitasking, pro apps, and instant wake performance without compromise. Optimized thermal design keeps it quiet and cool under sustained load. Built with recycled aluminum and advanced power efficiency for a smaller footprint. MacBook Air 13-inch 2025. Refined design, lasting battery, and remarkable power.